Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Susanna Stallman, and we're back to bring you an urgent update on arts education spreading across the globe. Since we last met, facts have been pouring in, confirming our suspicions. 72% of business leaders now say that creativity is the #1 skill they're seeking when hiring. 93% of all Americans believe that arts are vital to providing a well-rounded education. Needless to say, we're more than a little concerned. If unchecked, the arts can have a huge influence over a young person's life. To learn more, we go to the field with our correspondent, Tamisha.
Thank you, Susanna. We are here with an A-step teaching artist. So, tell me, what did you see in the classroom today?
Well, it was incredible. I led a visual arts workshop for students affected by homelessness. We used color and shapes to express how we see ourselves and how we see others.
Are you suggesting that we have more of this?
Yes, of course. The access to the arts shouldn't be a privilege reserved for the few. It should be a human right. So we need people to donate to A-Step today so that we can provide more arts experiences to more children and more cities than ever before. Are you with me?
Wow, that took a turn. Back to you, Susanna.
That did take a turn.